눈물 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지.
Hello my lovely people. Today I am going to be reacting to another reaction video for SF9. Just be prepared. I'm going to be recording a lot of videos today, so who knows how many I release this week, but just know that all the requests I've seen of videos for SF9, I'm probably going to record all of them today, so please like and subscribe to my channel so you can explore this marathon version of getting to know SF9. Yeah, I saw that someone commented like, oh, SF9 marathon in the comment section, so before I was saying journey, but I'm gonna say, yeah, it's basically a marathon. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be reacting to SF9's I don't know how to say this right, so I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. I'm just gonna either type in the name below me or you'll just see what it is. I just don't want to butcher it. Anyway, let's get started. Whoa, glitchy. Oh, excuse you. Excuse you. I love it. The dance moves.
Living in yours. Just baby, don't 오늘도 너와 다른 말을 맞춰가며 나갔어. 와또도 안에 오늘 돌아오가. Always 너는 나를 나답게 해. 내 모든 것들은 너로 시작해. Mailman, I'm living in your core in my side. You wanna know? Oh, so let me, oh, me, oh, me, oh. 왼쪽이요 아직 네 온기가 가득해.
Wait, is that Babyface? Sorry, you guys. I call him Babyface because that's how I remember him. I don't know, I feel like he has like a baby face, but it's not. I don't know, he just looks so adorable. I just call him a baby face. I'm not sure what his name is, but let me see. I'm right here. I call him baby face because like, he has this, I don't know. But whatever his name is, please leave it in the comment section. I think I kind of remember actually. Starts with a D. I'm new. Do not judge me. But I'm trying to remember the names. But yeah, he's Babyface. I think. He's Babyface to me. So. Yeah, it's funny because like my name is Shirt Ramira, which is look in Spanish. So yeah. Oh, man, would have to be so young. Well, he's younger than me. It's just like, wow, he has so much charm. I don't know. It's just just me or not. But yeah. One thing I do like is the concept of this video. It's very different than the videos I've seen earlier this week. Yeah, I'm liking it though. I'd have to look into their concepts so I can really understand these videos. I wonder if this is the one that has like the whole Greek mythology kind of theme theory going into it. I see like the cup and like this, like I don't know if it's like stars or astronomy. Like at the beginning where there was like, or like I think it was the sun. Yeah, it was like the sun shape, and they were all standing there. Oh, and then the cup, and he's like pouring some liquid. Oh. Huh. Huh. O Sole Mio. O Sole Mio. That's how you pronounce it. The moon and the earth are colliding. Wow. That's so beautiful. But I mean scary, but you know, the scene was beautiful. Okay. Okay, so for this video, very different than what I have reacted to before. But I don't know, like with them, obviously they have good vocals and their dancing is excellent. Now I'm starting to like kind of get into the theory behind their videos. I'm becoming more interested in the themes and the ideas actually, because a lot of their videos seem to have so many meanings and just theories, and knowing that would also help me better understand their videos, and I think that would be cool for me. So far what I liked in this video was that it was, I mean, of course I've noticed that a lot of their songs theme around like romance, and this was a romantic song, and you know, it did sing about their lover being like the shining light. So I did like that concept in this video, and I like the lyrics. I like how they explored more of like a Spanish kind of like instrumental vibe. I mean, giving that the title, now that I think about the title, it's like, oh yeah. But yeah, and I like the whole location, like in the desert, and they're dancing. Oh my goodness, it's just, yeah, it's excellent. Okay, excellent. And I love how the youngest member, even though he has like a deep voice, I feel like in this song it wasn't like too strong. It suited it, and I did like his like solo sings and the whole dancing, like the gestures here. I like those parts too. But for this video, I do have to say that it was more subtle kind of vibe compared to the other videos, but I still like it. And so now that we have watched this one, we're going to move on to what is the next video. The next video we're going to react to is Easy Love. Okay, so if you're interested in another reaction video of SF9, please like and subscribe to my channel, because there's going to be a ton of videos for you to watch. And I'll see you guys in a couple of hours.